Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Lemonade app to submit insurance claims. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your device's App Store. If you're using an iPhone, go to the App Store. If you're using an Android device, go to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Lemonade. Look for the Lemonade app in the search results. Once you find it, tap on the app icon. Read the app overview to ensure it's the correct app. To download, tap the Get button on iPhone or the Install button on Android. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, locate the Lemonade app on your home screen. Tap on the app icon to open it. If you already have an account, enter your login details. If you're new, select the option to create a new account. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete your registration. Once logged in, navigate to the Insurance Claims section. Here, you can easily submit your insurance claim. If you need assistance, use the in-app help resources. Now you can track your claim status directly through the app. Enjoy the convenience of managing your insurance claims with Lemonade. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.